For all the kids out there and for all the big kids out there, this is a chocolate, a delicious, dairy-free, white sugar-free, creamy ice cream with a little bit of a chopped top on top. If you're new to my channel, I'm Chef Cynthia Louise, and welcome to this incredible space. Subscribe, ring the bell, and you get incredible recipes in your inbox every week, as well as some wisdom and some philosophy and all sorts of things, really. So stay tuned, because this is freaking easy. And I've actually used spoons at the bottom because I didn't have any sticks. This is a bit cheeky because I'm going to add a probiotic to it for kids. It's so good. So this is how you get probiotics into them without them freaking out. So I've got some lovely coconut yogurt here. Now this recipe is in my Divine class online called Light and Healthy. And it is an incredible online cooking class, and that recipe is in there. So jump into that. And I've got some coconut cream I'm going to add to my blender. And it is a bit cheeky, actually, adding that probiotic in there. And it's really good for them. It's good to give them that living bacteria and those amazing enzymes, you know, in real food. It's just beautiful. And with coconut cream, you're looking for coconut cream that has like 1 or 2 ingredients, like a regulator, or it might have a stabilizer in it. But it doesn't have coconut cream, regulator, stabilizer, 142, 241, 666. It has like 98% coconut cream. That's what you want. So have a look at some brands out there, okay? So just look for that. So I've got some cacao powder in here. And now I want to sweeten it with some coconut sugar, and you can use maple or rice malt liquid, or you could use rapadura sugar. You know, it really doesn't matter. It's up to you. I live in Indonesia, so I'm surrounded by this glory that just comes naturally, you know, and processed naturally throughout this incredible island. It's actually quite amazing. How much to put in is up to you. The sweeter you want it, whatever. You guys play with it. The recipe's there, you can follow my lead, or you can make up your own. I'm adding some vanilla in there too, because vanilla just, I don't know, it just dances with chocolate and does something special. There's a tiny little bit left in there actually. Salt, building blocks of flavour, lots of minerals. So just think about this incredible ice cream that we're making. It has a fermented, cultured coconut yogurt in there. It has some beautiful coconut sugar in there that's smothered in minerals. And when I mean smothered, minerals, you can't kill them. So when this coconut syrup is harvested from the beautiful coconut fronds, and it's captured by beautiful Indonesian men, and it's brought down and it's heated up in this incredible big heating device, you can't heat out the minerals. And I think that is amazing. And then we have some lovely, gorgeous coconut cream in there, and some cacao powder, which is, once again, like high in minerals. So we're trying to give them what they want, but at the same time giving them what they need. So we're going to blend this, and we're going to put them into some molds. This is where you want to taste to see where you're at. I would definitely give some to Gungun, who's behind the camera today. Hello, Gungun.
Hello.
I'm so sorry I didn't say hello before. I forgot. How are you?
No, it's good.
You're fasting.
Yes.
It is Ramadan.
Yes.
And you cannot taste this
Yes.
until the sun sets, and then you can break your fast. I love it. It's so beautiful. And we've spent so many years together, haven't we? Yeah. Filming when you've been fasting. Especially when it comes to chocolate, right? Yeah. It's hilarious. You've got such great will. Well done. So you're gonna taste. I'm gonna taste. It needs more of a blend. The reason why I know it needs more of a blend, because I can taste the poutiness of the cacao in kind of clumps. So I need to really blend that down, which is awesome. And I can't taste that coconut yogurt, which is so good. All right, we're done. Have another taste. Fantastic, yummy. Now, I've got this kind of dodgy setup. Bear with me because I lost half of it, because I moved my studio quite a bit and things go missing, which is hilarious. So I've got half a situation here. go online and find some ice block molds. If you cannot, it does not matter. Just use a cup or something like this. You could put it in, anything. It doesn't matter what you put it in. And it doesn't matter what the stick is either. I've lost the stick as well. It's hilarious. I'm going to use a cake tin because I know this will hold. And because I've lost all the paddle pop sticks, I'm going to use these satay sticks. Is that right? Satay sticks? And I'm going to cut them. It's hilarious. Or you can use spoons to hold them together. It's up to you. Doesn't matter. But my molds are going to go in here. And like I said, they're balancing in my dodgy tin. Home cooking, right? I'm going to fill these up with this glory. And I don't want to fill them all the way up to the top. Why? Because when I put my spoon in, it's going to rise a little bit. So just be aware of that. And I'll do the rest later. And then I want some spoons. I'm just going to stick the spoon, and it's going to hold, check that out, in like that. What other spoons do I have here? Straight into the freezer, overnight, or check them in 6 hours actually, they might be ready. And the power of editing will come back to this little glory. Okay, I dipped it in chocolate, the top of it, and let me just pop that there. And then I found some more molds, different sizes, and I used these, cut them and skewered them just to show you. And how you get them out is you run it upside down one at a time. And this is how they come out. I know, right? And then dip them, the tops of them, just in some melted chocolate. And leave it upside down like that while you navigate eating this glory. It's really good. And they're creamy. Okay, I've kind of got a situation here. I need to sit that down. Coconut yogurt in there. They wouldn't even know. Okay, I'm gonna go now. So you can just imagine what you can do with it. You can even go as far as getting your ice block tray out that you put water in and making little ones for little children. I think that's kind of cute, and breaking some sticks, and they've got this little yumminess during the day. It doesn't have to be big. Bye.